Assalamu alaikum and hello everyone. Welcome back again to my channel. My name is Aisha Pa. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you for stopping by. Today we're making this beauty which is called Musk Khumra. Firstly, I grinded my musk crystals into fine powder, like the finest powder. I sieved it into a fine powder. Then I added it into my UD cologne, which is the scenario UD cologne, and I'm topping it with my Revdo. If you do not have Revdo UD cologne, you can skip that. If you have any the cologne that is light in color, you can use it for your Musk Humra. Mostly Musk Humra has this yellow light golden color, which makes it so beautiful. But then you can also use dark colored UD cologne and you can achieve an amazing humra. Just make sure you're using a very good cologne. So I'm adding approximately 200 mils of my Revdo UD cologne, and I'm using Revdo in 1 liter. This is the big Revdo and it has amazing scent. Like it has this amazing traditional musky earthy scent that lasts so long and makes your humra smell so exquisite and amazing after you're done making it. So this is what our humra is looking like. We have not added any oils in here. This is just our cologne and our musk, and you can see the musk sitting at the bottom of the scenario bottle, which makes it look so beautiful. And when this musk infused so well into this UD cologne, it is going to give our humra an amazing scent, which will make it smell so nice and good. Then I'm gonna use this Sorati oil, and I'm also going to use sandal maracas, the Chadi sandal maracas. If you do not have the Chadi sandal maracas, you can use another one. Then I will also be adding my Swiss Arabia oil perfume, and this Swiss Arabia oil perfume is very strong. Like if you do not want strong oils, I suggest you substitute this oil I'm showing in this video. Then I'll be adding my touch sunset Chirati, and then I'll also be adding this Mox sandal oil. So all these oils are available. You can shop them on our website. I'm going to drop a link in my description box, and you can also send me a DM to the number on the screen, or you can shop on IG, and I can deliver this to you wherever you are in the world. And I'm adding my Swiss Arabia, and I also added some other oils which I didn't show in this video because this is just like a custom almost camera, but I'm just going to show you guys the ones that I know you can use and still achieve an amazing scent. So I'm adding my Surati oil, and then you can add this depending on the quantity you're making. So for me, I'm adding 25 mils each of these oils, and then I'm just going to top it up until it gets to the top of the like scenario bottle, and that way I've added when I calculate it all together, I've added approximately 250 mils of oils. That is 2.5 canisters of mixed a combination of different oils. So when you add all these oils, give it a good shake and let it sit for a week or two in a very dark corner, and then you can adjust the scent to your preference. If you do not like any of these oils, like I said, you can substitute it and adjust it every week. You can be checking it every day and adjust it. So I hope you guys understood everything in this video. And I also hope that you're going to try this recipe. Let me know your thoughts when you do. Send me a picture when you recreate this recipe. I trust you guys will love it so much as I did love it, and my customers love this so much. See you guys in my next one. Assalamu alaikum, Ramadan Mubarak.